There's a lot of security. I'm right across from this fancy building, so I mean, at least when my bike gets stolen, I'll have like cool footage of it getting stolen. Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome to another day, another Wednesday. It's a rare Wednesday that I go to the office. I don't normally go to the office on a Wednesday. I'm actually kind of surprised. My bike was having trouble starting. My battery is pretty much brand new. And this morning, this baby had to crank for like fucking 5 seconds. I wonder why. This Prius needs to move. I'm in the mood to get places faster. Oh, it's not bad out. It's already 40, I guess. It's gonna be 50 something. And then next week, you're not gonna believe it, boys and girls. Next week, there's gonna be an 80-degree day. 80. 80. And that's when I'm going upstate. I'm going upstate for like 5 nights. It's gonna be sick. Gonna spend a week up there, taking care of some things. I'm excited to work on the Volvo. I probably mentioned it 7 times already, but doing new rotors and new pads, which is not a big deal. It's not a big task. I mean, it's like pretty straightforward, actually. You know, you just gotta follow some basic steps, but you know, if you've never done it. One thing I'm concerned with is that one thing has to be torqued to 200 Newton meters, and my torque wrench only goes up to 205. And you know how you're supposed to have like 10 to 20% or whatever extra over the value you're trying to torque. So I'm a little bit underpowered there. Hopefully this person actually takes off. How long will it take? Probably like a second. Damn. And now they're turning on top of it. This is awful. But yeah, I'm excited to go upstate. I'm excited to just be on an open road for a little bit. Put on some real miles on this baby. What's happening here? Pull over right in front of this car right there, and nobody is the wiser. It's gonna be okay. Everybody's upset, sure, I'm sure, but we're gonna just fucking settle down. Lots of traffic this morning. I'm actually surprised. Why is it so heavy? Why is the traffic so heavy this fine morning? Nice. That was fun. Get a little bit of speed. That's my favorite thing in the morning. Just a little bit of speed. I got my Revit Liberty gloves on, not even turned on. go. Beautiful. Nice little cruise here. Still a little chilly. Inevitable lane splitting. That's the nature of the beast when you commute on the BQE in the morning on a weekday. That is just how it is, boys and girls. The air feels fresh. The air feels fresh. I don't feel very fresh. I feel a little bit worn out, torn down. There's another cop over there. Again. Nice and chill, nice and easy. This person is turning. Good. There we go. The middle lane is actually faster today, but come on, Florida. Don't be scarred. I know you're going straight and now you're turning. Look at him. Imagine it's like Wednesday morning. Bro, go back to Florida, bro. If you're gonna keep a two cars lengths and Wednesday morning, you have to go back to Florida, back to the Sunshine State, bro. New York City is not for you, Mr. Chill Guy. These fucking people, man. Look at these dickheads. Selfish. Selfish. At least I don't like, when I merge illegally, I don't hold up traffic at least. You know what I mean? Look at this prick. It's fucking awful, dude. Good. Here we are. Beautiful Dumby. Dumby. Dumbo market, baby. Here we are. 8:22. No need to freak out. We'll just take our time. Although this person is taking too much of their time. They're like crawling and creeping. Come on, Dick Weasel. There we go. We did it. Adorable. Can I park next to this bike again? Is that possible? Yes. 2 days in a row. It's a magical, magical tour. Boop. So we'll just do that. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be alright. Plenty of room. Here, there, and everywhere. Right? Yeah. I think so. I think this person will have plenty of room to get out. I don't think I'm too close. Maybe. Maybe. But I think we're gonna be alright. Oh. Am I too close? Nah, we're good. We're alright. Hi, boys and girls. Oh man, this bike needs a wash again. This city is just dusty. Just gets very dusty here in this town through no fault of its own. Alright, let's put on my little lock and then get the day started. See what today brings, you know? See what today brings. There's always some sort of a thing going on. And I can't imagine today will be a day where nothing happens. Here we go. That's the beauty of me parking around here, is that there's a lot of security. I'm right across from this fancy building, so I mean, at least when my bike gets stolen, I'll have like cool footage of it getting stolen. You know, for sure, for sure. All right, here we go. Let's do all this. Let's do all that. The gloves go inside the thingy. My bike was loud today. My bike was very loud. It was scaring people. And look at my battery, actually, because the battery was being funny. Let's go to info. 12.3. Huh. I don't know. Seems fine. 12.3 is not bad volts for a battery. I don't know. I don't know what it could be. Alright, boys and girls, I'll talk to you later. Alright? Good times, always.